Right, so I went to try to remove the fender and I took out the bolts out. I'm like, what the fuck? Why is this thing not coming off? So I noticed that these bastards, they had spot welded here, section here, another one here, right there, and now finally down there. Why do I always find myself in these situations? But at least now I'm at a very good angle to attack this problem here. And yeah, just zip those off with the plasma cutter. But yeah, just shit people do is just